Hello guys, we are back and today's topic is about asking permission and its response. Well, of course, every day we ask the permission from father, mother, brother, sister, cousins, friends, and teacher. So today I will tell you some phrases and my friend Ayaan will tell you the most useful ones. And the most used phrases are can and could. Can is used for a permission and could is a more polite way. Let me give you an example. Can I ask you a question please? Can I go to market please? Could you have a weekend? Could you go to market? Could you buy an umbrella? Etc. So it's time to call my friend Ayaan.
Hi. Hello guys. I am back with a new topic which is about asking permission. So now in this program I will tell you most useful phrases of asking permission. Number 1. Can. Can is used for permission. Can I go to the park tonight? Can I go to the park tonight? Can I repair the radio? Number 2. May. May is used for request. May I have another piece of cake, please? May we go to the park with my friend, please? Number 3. Could. Could is used for polite way. Could I go to the trip this weekend? Could I go to the cinema? Number 4. Do you think so? Do you think so is used for question request. Do you think so? I could use your cell phone. Do you think so? I could borrow your car.
Okay, well, do you know that not in the response the answer will be yes. It can be no. So if somebody asks from you something and you don't want to give him, you don't want to say yes, so you will just directly say no. Well, that's a bit rude. So for example, somebody came to me and asked from me something, so how will I respond? Let's see. I will say that I'm so sorry, I'm really sorry because I'm working on my application, on my assignments, so I'm not able to give you, and this moment I'm not able to give you. I'm so busy. So let's have a conversation in which Ayaan will come to me and I will respond. First of all, I will respond in yes, and second time the same conversation but I will respond in a different way. I will say no. Let's see how. Starts.
Excuse me, Ali.
Hi.
Hi. Can you please give me your iPad for a while?
Okay, it's fine. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that was how our response in yes. Now let's move how to say no.
Excuse me, Ali.
Yes.
May I have your iPad for a while?
Well, I'm so sorry. I'm really doing my work and I'm going to send my assignment to my teacher and gonna work hard on it so I can because I can prepare for exams. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, I understand. But if you give me, it will a big help. Anyway, thank you.
I must give you, but I'm so sorry. I really want to do, and I'm preparing for the exams.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now let's suppose today is a Sunday, and Ayaan will come to my house. I'm playing games, or I'm just doing nothing. So he will come and he will ask me that. Let's see how will he ask. He will ask some question and let's see I will respond in yes or no. Okay, let's start.
Hello, Ali.
Hello.
Do you think so? We will go to the cinema this weekend.
Well, that's a great idea, but I think it's too early right now because it's 7 o'clock and we should we should go to at 9 or 10 p.m. tonight?
It's okay. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. So in this way you use the phrases. So time for our recap. Can. Can is used for permission. Can I ask a question, please? Can I go to market, please? Could. Could is another form of can, but in a polite way, in a formal way. Could I have some entertainment, please? Could I go to cinema, please? Okay. May is a request. When you ask a request to someone, may I go to market, please? May I play the video games? May I play with my friends, etc. So, do you think that it's a good shirt, or do you think that we will go to market today? Do you think that we will watch the movie tonight? Okay, that's it for today.